Hey guys, what's up? It's Billy and Anthony back here. Welcome back to the channel. It's the S2K guys. Anthony's got a little something for you today.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing the Mugen 3 Racing steering wheel purchased from Renegade Motorsports. Shout out to them because they got awesome parts. But yeah, we're going to install that paired with the NRG quick release and the short hub. Also paired with the JDM NSX Type R horn button. Also purchased from Renegade Motorsports. But yeah, we're gonna get started, get to it, and hope you guys like it and enjoy.
Thanks guys.
So this is the wheel. I also had the NSX Type R horn button. It's the short hub and the quick release and everything that comes with it. As you can see, I have both terminals disconnected just for safety. Anything dealing with the airbag, you want to make sure you want to disconnect the battery. So once that's disconnected, we can start by removing the OEM steering wheel. And in doing so, there's going to be a plastic cover that you got to take off on the left side of the wheel, and there's also going to be a plastic cover on the right side that you're gonna have to pop those covers off, and then there's gonna be Torx bits behind it to be able to remove the OEM airbag. Alright, so I popped off the cover on the left side of the wheel, which will show you access to the airbag connector. And if you look, that little circle up there, that's where the Torx bit, or Torx screw, I'm sorry, come out. It's a T30 Torx screw, and there's one on the other side. You can actually see that bronze Torx screw. So we're just going to remove that, and the airbag should be able to come out from the center of the wheel and disconnect the airbag connector. I got both Torx screws out. As you can see, once those are removed, you can remove the airbag out. This is the airbag connector. It's wedged in here, so you kind of gotta, fidget it out. You just disconnect this by sliding this down, and then pulling it off. And now this is disconnected. The next step is going to be disconnecting the harness for the cruise control, and then removing this, I believe it's a 17mm nut that holds the steering wheel to the steering wheel column. Alright, so I got the cruise control connector disconnected. There was also this ground, I believe this is for the horn, disconnected from this. Alright, so now this steering wheel is ready to come off, and you just want to do a little wiggle jiggle. There we go. Push all these connectors through the wheel, and now the steering wheel is off. You want to make sure the clock spring is straight up and down like that. It says top, and yeah, now we're ready to put the short hub on. The short hub is now installed with the 14mm nut. You just had to fish these 3 wire connectors through the bottom part of the short hub. So now it's on straight. Now we're getting ready to put the quick release. I grabbed the part of the quick release that attaches to the short hub. And the kit also came with this metal spacer bracket with a little piece that sticks out for the ground. On the back of the quick release, there's 2 wires. So the yellow one here is gonna connect to the OEM connector here, and then the black one that comes off the quick release is gonna connect to this metal washer ring, and then you're just gonna install it, sandwich this like that onto the short hub, and they provide you with new hardware and an Allen key wrench. So let's start doing that. Prior to installing this plate with the 6 bolts that were provided, behind it is the airbag connector and the other connectors as well. What I did was de-pin the 2 wires coming out of this airbag connector, and to do that all you got to do is these 2 slits right here, you use like a pick or a small screwdriver and pry on the left and right side of each wire, and as you're doing that, apply pressure to the wire and you're going to pull the wire out, and do that for both of them. And what I did, the resistor that came with the kit, I soldered together. I soldered the resistor to the OEM airbag wire. Once that's all put together, torqued down, bolted, you can bolt the actual quick release adapter to the steering wheel, which I already did. And I also put Loctite on all 6 of these bolts, and then put the the NSX-R horn button in. I had to use the spacer adapter because without it the horn was just moving freely around in the steering wheel. So with that adapter in place, the horn sits tight, nice and snug. So now we can reconnect it or put the wheel on, and the horn works. So there you go, there's the install for the NRG short hub with the quick release.
Alright y'all, welcome back. So we just finished the install for the Mugen 3 Racing steering wheel and the quick release NRG short hub. So it turned out awesome, love it. Billy has a renown wheel, so you know, if we ever want the option to switch wheels, we can. Yeah, just a little like that. But I want to apologize. We both want to apologize for earlier in the video. As you can see, there's little scratches you can see on the camera. I forgot to take off the lens. Stupid me. But yeah, we won't let that happen anymore. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and you know, we'll be putting these videos out for you.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. See you later.